Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So today I've got one of these little Brinks. I don't even know really what these ones were called, but it looks pretty cool. It's laminated, clearly, right? Anyways, I'm gonna stop trying to chat and just get to the good part. Oh, that probably was loud and annoying. That isn't the right size. I think that was a 32. This is my 40. Okay. Oh, no! Alright. Let's see what kind of damage we can do. If any damage. Good night. There we go. Had to change it up a little bit. Bottom of the keyway and a monkey paw. Alright, that's another one down. Brinks laminated. Picked and opened.